Hello, my name is Sarush Rizai and I'm here with the HLW Group, and I'm here to talk to you about handling property maintenance. The key thing about property maintenance is to address the issue head on. Figure out what's going on and try to get as much detail as possible from your tenant. Make sure your tenant is safe and okay. See what has happened in the past 24 hours, 5 hours, or 10 hours. From there, get as much information such as pictures, videos, detailed messages. You can start calling vendors that are professional, that focus on the issue. Give them all the information that you may have to properly diagnose the source of the issue. Have them come out to the property, coordinating a time with your tenants as well as the vendors. And as well, you have the ability to contact multiple vendors to get different quotes to see who can actually help you the best in your situation. Once you have coordinated everything with your tenants as well as the vendors and have the issue handled, you can follow up with your tenants after to make sure all the repairs are done and everything was done correctly, and your tenants can go about with their life. And if you have any questions regarding property maintenance, feel free to contact us at thehlwgroup.com or click the link below.